He's not boxing. He's biting.
Look what it says. The real. Look at he's copying me.
Yeah, he's gonna.
It's a boxing match.
Let me see. Let me see it, Dad.
Okay, we gotta keep doing it.
I'll do it.
No, I'm doing it. Don't let you do it. Ow. See?
That's what you get out.
All right, I'm gonna finish the coffee and
You
I'm
bet,
going
May.
To
Peepers, you bet, May.
What is it?
High five. High five.
High five.
All right.
did you get bit?
I got a new school at Temple Run.